The bubbly star may have started on Big Brother, but she is now considered a national treasure, and has many presenting gigs under her belt. Alison was announced as the new co-host of the Great British Bake Off in 2023, replacing Matt Lucas to present alongside Noel Fielding. Then, in 2024, following the death of Paul O'Grady, Alison stepped in as host of For the Love of Dogs. And new company accounts have now revealed that the happy-go-lucky TV presenter pocketed £12,568 per week last year at Alison Hammond Limited, the performing arts firm. She also banked £653,559 in earnings there, in the year to the 31st of May 2024. And the TV star has pocketed a £328,287 profit on her earnings, the equivalent of £899 per day. Her latest takings increase its asset base from £185,596 to £839,155, including £836,056 in cash. And after allowing for £371,759 worth of bills, she retained £467,396 in profits at her firm, including the £328,287 for 2024. Alison is due to pay out £371,759, including £368,031 in taxation and social security. Her firm's tax bill is likely to include employee taxes on the 2 members of staff reported as being employed. And no pay is reported in the accounts, which also decline to report income taken through the tills, by way of turnover. Earlier accounts reveal how Hammond's growing TV profile has boosted her earnings. Its ongoing profits climbing from £29,086 in 2016, £35,467 in 2017, £96,021 in 2018, £157,671 in 2019, £73,047 in 2020, £78,427 in 2021, £133,948 in 2022 and £189,109. And 2024's results take her corporate reserves to a cool £1.2 million. The star set up Alison Hammond Limited in 2014 and Happy Hamster Media in 2018. Alison's newly reported £839,155 worth of assets are topping up the £370,994 reported by her at Happy Hamster Media last summer, while ongoing profits across both firms amounted to £694,692. Happy Hamster Media's earnings run up in the year to the 30th of November 2023, generating £227,296 in ongoing profits, including £62,052 for the year. After leaving school, Alison Hammond worked as a travel rep and cinema usherette. She previously admitted in an interview on ITV's Lorraine that she only applied for Big Brother because of financial woes. At the time, I was £4,000 in debt, Alison Hammond told Lorraine Kelly. I went into an internet cafe to apply online. Little did she know her fortunes were about to change forever.